Hey everyone, welcome back to 4-Wheel Builds, and in today's episode we'll be looking at how to remove a steering wheel airbag. So as you can see, mine has deployed, so it needs to be removed so I can get it sent away to be repaired. But before we start doing anything with the airbag, let's jump under the hood and disconnect the battery. Why am I doing that? As you can see, my dashboard or the passenger airbag has not deployed, and I want to make sure that it stays that way so the dashboard can be used and it's all original. Just get the negative terminal removed, get it put away, so make sure that's not touching any part of the body, and leave that like that for 10-15 minutes. Let all the charge discharge from all the computers within the car to make sure that we're not deploying anything. Okay, so we've had the battery off for well over 15 minutes. Get the steering wheel and turn it first to the right or left, and if you come in at the back here, let me get a stick, there's this dimple, if you see it right there, behind that, that's where the springs are that hold the steering airbag in. There's one on the left and there was one on the right hand side. So what we'll have to do is actually piece that material, get a screwdriver in there. I think this one should do it. Push the spring in, release the airbag on one side, and then I'm going to turn the steering wheel the other way and do the same on there. If you have a look at, there's that dimple right there. Okay, so let me get started and get the steering wheel airbag out. Okay. Not quite sure if you guys seen that, but I sort of pushed the screwdriver in on a bit of an angle, so coming from the front to the back, sort of like that. So that side has popped out. If you now see, this side of the airbag has popped out. So now let's twist the steering wheel to the other side. Just using a small little screwdriver like this. So once again, I've got the dimple right there. As you've seen, the airbag popped out. So the only thing remaining to do now is get this airbag connector out. There we go. So just pressing the tabs up the top, down, and on the bottom pressing it up. So guys, when you come in from the side with the screwdriver, what you're doing is actually pushing this spring to release, I guess, these bolts on the side of the airbag. And I guess reinstalling it will be obviously plugging this in first and then pushing the whole steering wheel airbag in. So that's it. Okay guys, so let me go and get this redone, and then we can get this reinstalled in the car. Well guys, that's it. That's all there is to it, to taking a Mercedes W205 steering wheel airbag out from the car. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider leaving us a like, giving us a comment, and consider subscribing. It helps with the YouTube algorithm to push the channel up and hopefully get new subscribers and new viewers, so I can bring you more of these tutorials. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers. Peace.